Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicole Concilio, and welcome to the video. Oh my god, guys, it has been a minute since I've sat down and filmed for y'all. Last week, I was in Vegas with Smashbox, and then if you follow me on Twitter and Snapchat, you already know I was having problems with my veneer. It literally popped out twice. I had to go to the dentist twice. I had to rush home from Vegas, and then my flight from Vegas wound up being 2 hours delayed, and I had to get pushed to another flight to make my dentist appointment. It was just a crazy couple of days, and everything has finally calmed down now. I'm getting a crown for my tooth because I grind my teeth and my grinding is so bad that it literally pokes holes in my mouth guard. So yeah, that is what I've been dealing with the past couple days. But I am finally feeling better. I was in a lot of pain, so I didn't really want to sit down and film a video because you could totally tell I was in pain in my video. And plus, I just was kind of in a shit mood. I hate filming in a bad mood, you know? I just want to be my normal self. So today in the mail, I got the new magnetic lashes from Ardell, which... First of all, I feel like this is a big deal because I feel like the first original magnetic lashes, in my opinion, was from like a no-name brand. Like I had never heard of them before, and I know that they were like using false advertising with like Manny's video because like Manny originally said he didn't like the magnetic lashes, and then they took clips from his video and used it for advertising or something like that. I remember seeing that vaguely on Twitter, and I just thought, I don't want to review those. I don't want to get into that. Like, if a company is gonna do that and, like, I don't know, just be sketchy about it, I definitely don't want to be a part of that. But Ardell, as we know, is a huge, huge brand in general. Like, I have been using Ardell since the beginning of my beauty career, and they came out with, like, a bunch of magnetic little lashes here. So we have magnetic full lash strips, we have magnetic accents, we have these more, like, thin magnetic lashes, some more accents and everything. So right now I think I am going to try out the fullest ones, which look like this. I feel like they're very similar to a Whispy. Oh yeah, it says double Whispy. Let's read a little bit more about this. It says, application, gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Number 2, gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnetic lashes together. For the removal, use your index finger and thumb. Carefully slide top and bottom magnets away from each other. So I guess you would go like, maybe like that or something. Do not pull lashes straight off. I guess like that's easy enough. Let's open her up. You know what? I'm going to zoom you guys on in so we can get a closer look at this and let's see what's going on. I actually am pretty stoked to try these out because it is a really cool, like innovative product. I just personally am a little bit concerned putting a magnet that close to my, you know, lash and eyeball, but I feel like if it wasn't safe, they wouldn't do it. So when you look at this, the top is the uppers and the bottom is the lowers. So you just kind of lay it on and, you know, fluff them together. Now it doesn't say anything to like add any mascara or anything like that. So I'm not going to. I feel like if it wanted me to add mascara, it definitely would have been like pop on your favorite mascara or like something like that. Ooh, this is so interesting, guys. So it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. They look very, very thin, which I like. And this is also a bandless lash, which is really important to point out because if you are someone who struggles with applying false eyelashes, I feel like a bandless lash in general is very good because you don't really see that harsh like strip of the lash. It's more natural looking. So I am going to be using, I did get like a tool to go with it, but honestly, I don't really care for lash tools. I much rather use a tweezer, but if you are someone that doesn't want to use a tweezer, don't worry, you don't have to do that. When I touch it, I mean, I know this is going to be very, very hard to see. If I try to do that, you probably can see a little bit. Hold it in front of my face. Yeah, you probably can see a little bit better, but there are very, very thin magnets there, and the lash feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel like heavy because there's a magnet on it or anything like that. Let's just like get right into it. I feel like, let me just shut up and do this. So it says just lay it on top of the lash. Okay, wait a second. My tweezers got glue on it. You know what? I'm actually going to peel off the bottom lash in the meantime so that I could do this like really quickly. Be careful when you pull this off because I just lost a pretty big chunk pulling off the bottom layer. I don't like that, but okay, let's do this. I'm going to apply this first and kind of lay it on top here. Oh my God, the magnet is sticking to my tweezers. Maybe I am going to have to use that freaking... Okay, now let's pop on the bottoms. I'm a little bit sketched out to like put a lash underneath my lash. Ah, this is definitely not easy to do, like whatsoever. You know what? I'm going to put a thin coat of mascara on just because I feel like if I don't, these lashes are going to keep falling off. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation and I'm just going to literally do one thin coat here just so I have something that is like, I don't know, maybe holds the lash up a little bit better because right now it's kind of just flopping around like crazy. And while I'm letting this mascara dry a little bit, let's read a little bit about the product because when I got the product in PR, I didn't really get a sheet or much that went with it. I just got the lashes. So let's look up online the price and when they are available. So the magnetic lashes are $13.99 depending on which one you get. So the double wispy is the one I'm using right now is $13.99. They also have one for $12.99, which is this one, kind of like the more thin version. And they actually are available right now. They're on Ulta, they're on Sally Beauty, and they are on Target. So I feel like for $13, this really isn't like, oh shit, now I messed up. I don't know which one is the top and which one is the bottom. So let me put this on now. Let's get it into formation. Okay, I already feel like having some type of mascara helps out a lot. I don't know, guys. I feel like for what it's worth, this is taking me way longer already than I would ever with regular false lashes. I'm just trying to readjust it. Oh, wow. That feels so weird, but looks beautiful. Okay, guys, I have the lash on. The magnet is officially on in all spots. That looks very natural, actually. It does feel slightly heavy. If I had to like compare it to just wearing a normal lash, it definitely feels a little bit heavier. I want to try another one. Let's try like a thicker lash. So this is the double wispies. So let's try these on this eye so we can like kind of tell the difference here. Wow, I don't know. I'm kind of shook at this. I'm a little slightly shook at this product. Okay, so let's do the same thing. I'm just gonna pop this on my top lash here, which I have to say, getting it to like line up is very, very difficult, like right off the bat. It's definitely not like my favorite thing to do, but it definitely is like a weird, interesting concept. See, like this is definitely not fun to do. I don't know, y'all. All right, let's try this again. Gonna line it up. This is very hard to do. I was able to do it really easily on this eye, but not on this one. It's very difficult for me to do this. Like usually with falsies, I can get this done 1, 2, 3. I feel like this is almost making it harder for people. Like I feel like this was God, I freaking can't with this. Guys, this is very, very difficult to do. Like, I don't know. I feel like I keep repeating myself, but I don't know, man. I'm having like a hell of a time. Let me try to get their tool and see and use it that way. That way no one can really come for me and say, well, you didn't use the tool. I also feel like it's important for me to point out that this is just a regular lash applier. This is not meant for the magnetic lashes. This is just Ardell's legit like applier, like lash applier. So let me try to use this and see if this is kind of like a different, nope, same thing. All right, let's try this again. So it seems to latch on very easily to the center, but my inner and outer corners, like I don't know if you guys can, I'm gonna look up, but I don't know if you guys can see this outer corner isn't connected to my actual lash at all, and same with the inner corner. I'm trying to make it so that you guys can see, like it just easily comes right off. So I would say the double demi wispies is a no for me. Let's try the original lash that I was going with, and I just did this the wrong way. You're not supposed to do that, but I don't care. I'm probably never going to use these again. Let me try the other lash that we were working with earlier. Y'all, this is some crazy, inefficient shit right here. Oh my God. Like, why is it sticking to this? I don't understand. This is freaking plastic. Gonna try not to move very much and just pop this on underneath. Nope. Messed up again. Can you guys see that? Ooh, girl, I'm ready to party. Oh my god, what the frick. Wow, this is a lot more complicated than it looks, guys. But I'm determined to get this. Where's the bottom one? Okay, what in the hell? Maybe are the accents easier? Let me try an accent. But then at the end of the day, it's like, okay, so this is starting to pop off the inner corner the more I like move around. At the end of the day, if I'm gonna put a lash on, I want a full freaking lash. I don't want to have to settle for an accent lash. You know what I mean? But let's try it. Let's see if it's easier to apply. I want to be able to try like majority of everything here so that I can give you an accurate review. So we are using the accent. This is the 001, and you literally just put this on the outer corner of the eye, which makes me feel like this probably is a bit easier to do, because connecting the inner to the outer, like, okay, that was way easier to do. Wow. So I would say if I'm just like looking at this now, like having known what I know, doing this for about, where's my clock? Doing this for literally 20 minutes, I would say so far the accents have been the easiest to apply. I feel like this was like a fluke thing. Like, I don't know. I feel like I was not able to do it whatsoever on my left eye. Let's try the accent on the right eye. First of all, let's try to get these off. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. No, that freaking hurt. Accent coming in hot on the right eye. So I'm just gonna lay this on top and then lay this on the bottom. The hell is going on? Let's try this again. This is like all aboard the struggle bus right now, and I am the damn captain of it all. It connects very, very fast. The magnet is very strong. Again, it's like wailing off the outer corner. Ooh, 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 ow. Something really hurts. Okay, I don't know. Ow. All right, are we done here? I think I'm done. All right, taking this off as well. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. All right, let me zoom you guys on out, and let's talk about the final opinions, the final thoughts here, shall we? I love Ardell. I think they're a great company. I just don't think that this product is for me. I had a hell of a freaking time trying to apply this, and I'm being dead ass honest here. Like, it literally took me 20 minutes to figure out this whole thing, and realistically when I'm doing my lashes normally, they take me about a minute each eye, so like 2 minutes in total, and that's just with good old fashioned glue. And I have to say that there's something just very weird and nerve-wracking about having a magnet that close to your eye. And I'm not sure if you guys were able to see on camera, but the bond, it really connects very fast, so you can't really like stop it. I'm very lucky that it didn't pinch my skin or pinch my eye or do anything weird like that, but I will say the full lash strip felt slightly heavy. If this is something you want to try out, I mean, by all means do so. If you're gonna do this, I totally would say the accents will probably give you a better time. I personally will not be using these again because I just find that normal eyelashes using glue, regular strip lash, is the best way to go. I understand that this is a cool and really fun and like gimmicky, Lorelei, kind of way of doing your lashes and stuff like that, but I don't know. I'm just like, I'm not really feeling this. I wanted this to work because I love Ardell a lot as a brand and as a company, but I'm just being honest here, guys. I literally struggled for 30 minutes in total doing this entire thing, and usually in 30 minutes I can get my makeup done. So I don't think that this is going to cut down time on doing your makeup. I don't think that any of that is gonna happen here. And if you are me, I lose stuff a lot, especially these little like cartons with any eyelash, whether it be Lily lashes, Huda Beauty lashes, House of Lashes. I literally have about like 30 of them laying around, and I don't really put my lashes back. Like, I'm very bad at that kind of thing. So this would not be good for someone who is like just sloppy with their lashes, like how I am in storing them, because you have to remember which one is the top and which is the bottom. Otherwise, the magnets will not connect. So yeah, I personally will not be using these again. If you want to try them, be my freaking guest. But girl, you better not play yourself and get the half lash because I feel like that one was probably the easiest to apply. And of course, with some practice, I feel like maybe I could get better at it, but don't fix something that isn't broken. I can apply my regular lashes, no problem. And also, as I was talking to you guys, blinking, I felt like the inner corner of my right eye was coming off, and I don't know, I just feel like glue will never let you down. And if you are someone that struggles with like applying lashes, I don't think that these magnetic lashes are gonna make it any easier for you. You know what? Leave me a comment down below if you guys want me to do like a simple kind of tutorial on how to apply false lashes. I've never done that on my channel, believe it or not. I know that's kind of crazy because that's something so simple that I should have probably filmed years ago, but I didn't. So if that is something that you want to see from me, just leave me a comment down below. Also, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and turn on my little bell notification things at the bottom below, girl. What you waiting for? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed seeing me struggle. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you next time. Bye.